Daki pau hajar ngot kinong kersian jongki kertong yekun election kilawan ban sakhi bat ban wan skap ye gejing perbena ki bor peniat election MLA hakmat ka office jong deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi district menta kesngi kabadi kesngi jong gejing perbena ye ki kertong ki bajob nagi santeli ki constituency Ribhoi district na kite ki santeli ki constituency arteli constituency la job dak NPP ki bakentup ye jirang bat komroy arteli la yo jing job dak seng congress ki bakentup ye omsning bat kamau hati bat keseng UDP na nongpo ki MLA ki bathamai ki baki pajba na them Ribhoi ki la Punjab ki kentup yo ba Meral Bons im na nongpo constituency na kaseng UDP u Dr. Celestine Langdo na omsting constituency na kaseng Congress u ba Charles Marngar na mahoti constituency na kaseng Congress u ba Sostana Sotun na jirang constituency na kaseng NPP baru ba Daman Baj Lamare na umroy constituency na kaseng NPP.
Returning officers to the 9 Nongpo Assembly constituency in the state of Meghalaya hereby certify that I, on the 2nd of March 2023, declared Shri Meral Bons Aim of members of the United Democratic Party to recognized political party to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general elections to be a members of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof I have granted to him that these certificates of election. Congratulations, Meral Bons Aim.
Congratulations, Madu.
Agam. So banai kubli ya ubli try kendrat. Wala yalam pelari wala sumar. Bangla mentoi chongthong jong jing job hari ni kesini. Nai kubli ya ginong kersian. Paro. Ginong yalam gibahing gibahasem ginong tray hapo ka UDP. Di well wisher di Mei jongi di men di para di bahing basem baro di leaders jongi di bala tri sitom mit patsi bangala bon poi chong thong jong jing job kadai ke jing I jongi pajba jong nong po constituency bat jong ka Ribhoi mar girang don sibun ki agenda ki bagian haban beteng agi por ki bala dep ngi bala persang ban tri de ubli musom la ino ulai ke negala sajisin bangan mi khmat ke nong po constituency ban ngi scam bangin tri sitom kat bala agi ding san stem ki banwan bat ka jing I ke jong pajba bagila ai ke jing senya sajisin bagi yo ke jing job ka ba don burom agan ni kesin ngi scam mangila aban yalam yu pajba agam kom ga bani I na ka por sa ka por hi wa jukren ka lat yo kam yo jam ni kun samla ka kot ka khya ka pule ka puthi umbam umdi nang tagilenti ki singkin ki dik sipun ki dik mat ki ba kongsan ki isu jong gi nongrep ki dik ba hakmat ki ba ngilaju persang na ka por sa ka por ban budin ki kam jong ban jing penbe yo khap ki put usam po ga jalame kalia kalau ga kongsan ka badang sate ban penti kena baktin khasi ki ban rung khnit ka ba phra ka di badang sate ban penti kena ba ILP ki di urlong ga dang sate bat gerang do sibun ki ni ki mat ki badang sate ha ka bangi scam bangi yo ka negala sa sisir ban nikmat ila ban kit sisa ka negalong kor jong pai ba
Returning officer for the 11th Umsning Schedule 5 Assembly Constituency in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have, on the 2nd day of March 2023, declared Dr. Celestine Langdo of 11th Umsning Assembly Constituency, sponsored by the Indian National Congress, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to be a member of the House of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election. Congratulations to Dr. Celestine Langdo of INC.
Thank you. ngadap da kajing songu ya ki paiba bakila ailat enga sasisin ban syakri biang iki de ngam artatin bangan saai kajing syakri ke ba khamti kena iki agane ka term ke baar na songu sisa yu paiba ubalasannya hanga agane ka genti bat kajing job jonga ka kedau syairu ba ka bor jong ka pisah kamde na dong sedong ha ka election kajing kajing sanya ba kajing syakri kadang trekam
cái jangan nut jong ni ban le nam tangam si jong si den ba pai pai le jong ni kum ko em le no mi kwan nak konstitusi
kajing angnut kalong banwan ra sibun ki kampen roy apo ka constituency bat kumjuru apo ka jelahi baro ka wei ban yasim menta haki policy making ki ba per leng ba ka assembly ka jongi
I, returning officer for the 8th Mawhati ST Assembly Conference in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have, on the 2nd day of March 2023, declared Shri Charles Manhar as the notary, sponsored by the Indian National Congress, to have been duly elected by the said constituency to be a member of the House of the Legislative Assembly, and that in the token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election. Congratulations to Charles Manhar.
Kebaningkong Ahmad kadai kajing songu yo blade try kan di lembaga tinggalam ke jongu bangalong kumne ku bangalong mata kajing play kababut nangka kajing play ime jangai dan lahuni lakhala punya ilok jangai bijunan senda bagi kon bra armon kajing play ke baar galej syabaro kinong tre jong parti kongres klam dan nyo peteng yeno kajing duk tia adu dem kajing tres tam kajing kabangam don tli chu ban batai ayu ke jing trish tam ke joki met ban mensim aso ban ai khublai 6000 ho nam ta ke joki namar ke jing trish tam bat ke jing IT ke joki na ka mata ke ni kam ke ni election ke mata ke jing khublai ke babot nang ka kalej ki pat ba bara jang ke Mawhati konstitusi ibala jet yang ada ke jing ibala Punjab election yang ada ke jing klaim ke tengkah jaga jingit kila jit yang abat ngalayo ban tam hadu sana jartam agani kesi kene gedi guram kabang kwa ban kempau seki pai ba jong ke Mawhati konstitusi barok ko ibla ai ke jing krishan tak menta jongan le shibune ipigi pai ba nong krishan barok jong ke parti kongres ke jongi ibla Punjab dan buram ban lawan ra shisha ya ke buram nak menta ke Mawhati konstitusi barok ko ta gedi ke jing kublai bang kwa ban ai kene ko ngapriang bang Mawhati konstitusi kadang sadin bat ngamla ban jerlut por kam sya yang bangan jerlut hani ngre ke ai bang don ban ang kolong ban ikam iba pensi UI ki bang atre itahi ki de step ki bang sishim kum nongelam bat kum MLA jong Mawhati konstitusi
returning officers of the Tenichiram Assembly constituency in the state of Meghalaya. On the 2nd day of March 2023, declared Shri Sustenance Thotun of Lower Nongkhomai Bodihat, sponsored by the National People's Party, to have been duly elected by the said constituency to be a member of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof I have granted to him his certificate of election. Congratulations, Pastor Sustenance Thotun of Tenichiram.
Akabaningkong nasuban pau ya kajing songu eu blai kenla di kajing kerpu ke ba ulai yangi dia ke konsensi kajingi bat kerpang hentam bakene kasngi ke bangilayo e kajing job bat ngapen pau ru kajing songu ya kajing sem baro minta email Gimen para baro iskurim ikut di baro ngapan pau ke jing songu nang ta ngapan pau ro ya ke jing songu ya baro ki leaders Jongka National People's Party ki balaya Trishtam nado I MDC ki leaders baro Jongka National People's Party ki balaya Trishtam ki balaya tu thea do dem hakine ki live nai sau nai na ke banta bangin yo ben khet yo so jong jing job hakine ke sngi nang ta ro ngapan pau ya ke jing khublei ya baro ki nong kersan ki pala ai ya ke jing sene anga hakine ke sien ke baar agaba ngalayo beng sai sien ban bi khmat ya ka konsensi ke jungi hadian jong ne ke jing job kumba lei hi ngala hak election campaign hi ngira ki manifesto kita ki jingkular ke jungi supai ba ngane le kat pala ban pendep ya ki jingkular ki ba mengingilak lei aga por bangilai ban campaign ban bensoto ipai ba kata hi ke bangin hapan putin nang ta bangin hapan ben scam bangin penjana susu ag bidai bagi kam ki ba mengingila le akini ki sansnam nang ba konsensi ke jungi kalong ke konsensi ke bagi state baro ki benta
I, returning officer for the 12th Omroi ST Assembly Constituency in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have on the 2nd day of March 2023 declared Shri Damanbhai Lamari of 12th Omroi Assembly Constituency, sponsored by National People's Party, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to be a member of the House of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election dated Nongpo 2nd March 2017. Congratulations, Shri Damanbhai.
Kalau kemudian ngangi teh penuh, nanti kawan ini kebelak yai, yai nasi jami rokedon kita minister atau masnya. Tapi job sudah beli nama kawan ini orang masih kerja hak lupa bah, konstitusi, sesuai ru. Kalau ai publik ai mau publik terkenal, karena ai publik yang baru ini kita bah. Konstitusi belasannya terkam dalam hal itu.
Cái là trong cái việc mặt và bên ai bị kiri phải bạn biết được mặt của
Tahu, ni apa ya? Terima sahabat ketemu ke jangan dalam pendek. Itu bijak terang bijak apa saat ini itu bisa